Okay, I've turned you around and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Right, this is the pan. I'm going to add just a little... This isn't working, I'm not very good at this, am I? Anyway, so we'll get there, we'll get there. I'm just going to add some more flour. Because I want it a little bit thicker, because I don't want it runny, but I don't want it... So I'm adding one massive, so that's probably about 11 big spoons. And you can see now that the consistency is a little bit thicker, but still very smooth, and that's what you need. It has to be smooth. If there's any lumps in it, it's going to turn out really horrid. The idea now is still over the heat, but you're cooking off the flour, so you don't get a floury taste in your mouth when you eat this sauce, which you do get with a lot of pre-packed stuff. Now, slowly, I'm going to add the milk. It's always a good idea to have the milk out of the fridge rather than cold. At this moment, I'm going to use a whisk, but I always use this spatula as well, because the spatula gets it away from the sides. Just add the milk slowly as you need it. Keep it smooth as well. If you can see it's getting thicker, so you need lots more milk yet. But add it a little bit at a time, because it just gives it that smooth consistency. It stops it going all lumpy. Don't forget it's still over the heat, so you've not to leave it. Don't leave it and walk away, because you'll really regret it. This is one part that you can't really leave. So now I've got probably, what's in this? 1.5 litres of milk. No, let me see. Yeah, 1 litre of milk actually. 1 litre of milk I've poured in already. We'll see how far that goes. As I said, you just guess the amount. Right, this might be enough. If it's not, I've got more milk ready. Just leaving that there for a minute. Can you see, if you do the figure of 8, because you can see that it will stick at the sides, sometimes the whisk doesn't get to it. Excuse me, I seem to have a bit of a cold this morning, or just sinuses, I think. But I promised myself I'd do this for you. Promised myself about 7 months ago, I think. And I never got round to it, so now, Sinead, I'm really sorry. So this is a bit time consuming, but it's worth it in the end. You'll see it start to come together soon now. I'll come back to you in a minute when this has got to the consistency so I can show you.